Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. I've got some ideas for you on different foods that are known to pair well with tomatoes. So if you're looking for some ideas for something a little different to do, hopefully this list will help you out. In the way of protein foods, including legumes, nuts, and seeds, tomatoes are known to go well with almonds, bacon, beans in general, beans of all types, chickpeas, eggs, legumes in general, lentils, snap peas, and tofu. In the way of vegetables, tomatoes are known to go well with artichokes, arugula, asparagus, beets, bell peppers, cauliflower, celery, chard like Swiss chard, chilies, chives, cucumbers, eggplants, fennel, greens of all types, leeks, lettuce, mushrooms, onions, parsnips, potatoes, scallions, shallots, spinach, squash, as in summer squash, and in particular zucchini. In the way of fruits, tomatoes go well with avocados, lemons, limes, olives, oranges, orange juice, pumpkin even, strawberries even, tamarind, and watermelon. Imagine that. In the way of grains and grain products, we know that tomatoes go well with barley, breads and breadcrumbs, corn, couscous, grains in general, bulgur, which we know is wheat, farro, pasta, polenta, quinoa, rice, seitan, which we know is made from wheat, and wheat berries. In the dairy and non-dairy categories, there's butter, cheese, especially feta cheese, goat cheese, mozzarella cheese, parmesan, and ricotta cheese, cream, sour cream, and yogurt. In the other foods category, tomatoes go well with balsamic vinegar, oil, especially olive oil, salt, soy sauce, tamari, vinegar in general, all types of vinegar, and Worcestershire sauce. I can't say that right. Worcestershire sauce? However you pronounce it, you know what I mean. I do hope this helps to give you some ideas for something a little different to do with tomatoes. Let me know if you have other ideas to share. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.